You will agree with me that we gathered here because we are honoring what they offered a few months ago. They promised a sponsorship and they delivered. We did not believe at first when we heard about the sponsorship. The sponsor is marvelous, and in it one can see a vision of the sponsor, Basadi. The country has a burden of unemployment. Here the sponsor comes and avail themselves for trying to mitigate the crime that the players may have engaged themselves. We recognize the commitment to improve football. It is our wish that you make profits and end up sponsoring the Mbabane League as well. Base Mbabane batishayeli lesicelo sisicela kores. On behalf of the teams, we thank your organization that has brought joy to the hundreds of people in the Mbabane community. The B division had 16 teams and promotion had 14 teams. And each registered 30 players. So you can imagine, you could see about 900 people, lababanjwe sponsor, bese ngetulu kubane batali babo, ngetulu kwaloko kubane bantfu labakhona lababukelako, ngetulu kwaloko kubane lidolobha ekhatsi, kunengi nje lenisentele kona lokuhle Basadi. I believe that Basadi can attest to the fact that if every game is watched by multitude of fans, has the importance of your involvement in Mbabane League. I'm not too sure as to how we football leaders can assist those companies who sponsors football or any other sport to be exempted from tax or levies. We urge the MPs, media, and everyone concerned to push this matter such that it passes in Parliament. Presently, when a company sponsors, it does not expect any reward. Yeah, singisi sihle sibane ma potholes. Kodwa nje ngiva kahle lokuthi nangitawuphinze ngikwendlale kabanti nje lokuthi lemithetho nebakithi siyayicelela lokuthi mayibe khona letawusita letinkampani ngoba already bona sebathexekile lokuba lakithi lokukhipha imali ithi already sebathexekile uyathexwa ngala uphinze na uhulumende yomthexa ngale asekubukeke lokho ukuthi bahlangabeteke nase bathexeke ngala ngakithi bese uhulumende uyababonela ukuthi ngoba kutawusitakala lona lelive ekugcineni nasikhuluma nje nge-unemployment sikhuluma nangebugebengu sikhuluma ngendvo lengehla kakhulu if singakunaka lokho inhlanhla sikhuluma lapha kunema MPs kunema nabo senator labatawuthatha bakwengcise bakufuce lokho i-violence the Mbabane competition committee denounces violence in all means. The rules and regulations assist us in prosecuting those who violate the rules. Bekuyindlela nje ukuthi sibachazele bakaBasadi lokuthi sikubuke ngemehlo labandi indzaba yemsindvo inhlanhla vele ayikase yasihlupha. To the teams, I urge every one of us to be cautious that no one would want to associate with careless people. Let us commit ourselves in protecting our sponsor. Kude lesikubonile except that nanyalo siyamangala kuthola this huge support from Basadi. Tandla tinglekelela. Playing grounds. We have recently started using a playing ground at SAME. This shows how committed you are in the world appreciated sport. We applaud the relationship forged between the sponsor and the HRFA. We have seen new numbers of followers at SAME, and this shows how hungry in terms of watching their teams who used to travel to other places for their games. SAME is now available even for league games. Akusesiyo nje le knockout kuphela. Siyatibongela kulo ground labasivulele lona bakabasadi. Atikho Tandla. Bekufuna sitize tizino letandla ticatshaniswa ngimi nje la nani nticabanisa. Lobukhona benu abuqedzi bugebengu kepha buvundulula talents, and thus our good players are exposed to big teams. We are proud to announce that namhla kune team le siphakamisako angishiyele kukhulume basati icobo lwakhe lwayo ngale team ngoba soyati kangcono kunathi lele stawo site sihlangane ngayo la nalama teams la ilandzele emva kwayo. Basadi, you are best, keep it up, the good work. We promise to protect your brand in future. Siyabonga kakhulu.